And the tagline is saying no goes to show for. But here's Hussein down the corner flag. And Team Menu standing on him to push the ball forward. Lovely play, Team Menu. But Saka, Abetamwa! Oh, and the flag hots the celebration. The lead by the flag. Phil, is that a spot-on call from the assistant referee?
It is a spot-on call. It is a spot-on call, but I like the way Kotoko played that clever little passes from the midfield. Just watch. 1-2 touch passes, and then Albert is in the box, and then the soft touch into the goal. That was very brilliant of the guys.
Very glued onto the action. Here's Babayaya. Into Mayu. Saka returns it back to his captain, Blake. Aqua. Yaya. Finds Aqua once again. Let's start by Emmanuel Amankwa. But Kotoko with a big advantage. Lord Amwa, formerly of Benab FC, impressed with Become Chelsea on his GPL derby. Will live it. For Patrick Asante with again, Benjamin Asari at the right place and makes that important save.
You can really count on Benjamin Asari to make such saves in such a game.
Great positioning from the Phobian shot stopper, Joseph Ablo. Looking for Justice Blay, hits into the channel. Abetamwa here on it against Osasime. Makes its way to the channel, but it's been stopped by Osasime. And it's picked up by Samuel Amofa, who continuing that trajectory. On the 7th place with 19 points at the moment. Now tells you the two clubs chasing each other, pressing each other's neck. And that's Justice Blay heading it out. Hussein picks it. Salim Adams finds Hamza. And that's a very strong tackle from Samba O'Neill. But again, it's a bit of worrying face from 1-4. Samba O'Neill. And he whistles for it. Not just watch it. That should have been a foul, isn't it?
Definitely. Most definitely. But I believe both coaches have done so well in this first half of the game. They've maintained their shape and their instructions to the players.
Lord Amwa on the far side. It's quickly taken. Lord brings it back. Finds Blay. Whipped inside. Oh my goodness, this could be Papaya! Oh my goodness, how did he miss that? That was a big chance for the skillful player. But again, he lifted very deep into the sky. And Hasselhoff in his dying embers of the first.
How did he miss this chance? How? His composure in the box is excellent. He controlled the ball and decided to place the ball. Unfortunately, it was up high. Benjamin Asari was already on the turf.
Oh, the best of that from the Yatraman. That's a very erratic play from him, but we'll be taking the stats. It's to be 4 minutes of additional time as Martin Kakari races forward from the right hand side. Who stands behind it? Abdulman is a bit of expecting that. Martin Kakari goes for it. Again, that'll be a bit of tampering from Kamara. Was looking to pick the near post. Here's Aqua. He's got Abetamwa. Aqua goes down and referee says that's a fair challenge. Hole's been running down. Hasselhoff, defensive line. You just look at the movement. Peter Miruakwa. He's got Abetamwa ahead of him, but decides to go solo. And sandwich between so many wide sets. Brought down in the process, but the referee have none of that. This was a straight ball. Oh, was pushed onto his path, but again, that's a bit of brave defending. Time already cleared, but here comes Lord Amwa running down that channel. Sensei the killer. Aqua Metin, Abetamwa, 18, and again, Samuel Amofa. Oh! The referee, and Tiamo have none of that. Places advantage. It's Lord Amwa. That's a bit of kick. That wasn't a penalty. Look at it again. The killer was brought in, headed by Peter Miruwakwa, brought down by Abed Amwa. And the final attack from behind. Just wondering if it got the penultimate start to result in a penalty. I think it's a bit feeble. It's a very, very tight decision to make. Very, very tight. As we almost heading for the final, we're still of this first half department of the game. Lifted deep. And also for clear their line. Justice Blair returns it into Hasselhoff territory. It's brought into the middle. Theophilus Collinson picks it up. Here's got Kwabena Boateng at the far left-hand side. Hussein ahead of him. It's going to be a cross into the box. Curry picks it. Now let's go Patrick Garcia to deal with. It wants to be a real battle. On the right-hand side, Betin gets into the box. Yes, Hamza. This could be long. And that's a bit dangerous. Kamara finally getting his hand to it. Nearly coming off Joseph Ab. Atmosphere very electric. And that does it for the first half. After first 45 minutes of exchange, it's Barring. So there we go for the next second half department of the game. I've been seeing so much whistle this afternoon. That's Justice Blake. And skip over the side. Oh, left it deep into Hasselhoff territory. Looking for Saka. Casts it into the box, but it's been well picked by Samuel Amofa, who flashes it out. And when you check the form guide of these two teams, it tells you that Kotoko have been struggling a bit, but Saka have just been fouled, have just been flagged out. Kind of form as far as he is in charge in the dugout. Blair will lift a long one. And that's a clever defending again from Osasme. Or the Minister of Defense, they call him. And it's proven why he's gotten that accolade. Salim Adams managing to get it, hits it onto the far right hand side. Well, the big question is breaking the number 38. That has been the court between these two sides. Oh, lovely play. Lord Amwa again. Asante comes in front of him. That's a clever play from. But just look at the movements. Lord Amwa giving a bit of hot tips there by the centre back. That was quick, that was sharp. At least ensuring that he kept his line very intact. And as the folk will say thank you. And as they return to the far right hand side, Abdraman, Martin Kakari. Abdraman once again invited. Hussein. Oh, that's a lovely play from Hussein. Despite going down, he fights for it. Kakari, Kotoko needs to be careful. And they've managed to survive with Patrick. It's a lovely play, at least to switch into the middle. It's a big movement. Martin Kakari, Salimana. Oh, lovely play. Here is Kwabena Boateng. Oh my goodness, it's flashed away. And Patrick Casero with that very, very last minute stop there to keep the Fabians at bay.
That was a timely clearance. A timely clearance. And Accra House of Oak has started dictating the pace in the second half.
But that was fantastic work from Martin Kakari. Found Salim Adams. And that is a very clever defense splitting pass to Kwame Abwati. But again, a lot of credit to the man in the 17th shirt, Patrick Casero, exerting a bit of force to avert the danger that was looming. Hussein, Martin Kakari, Theophilus Collins, the player looking for Amiru Akwa, but it's been cut out by Manetu. Find Sakadauda, Babayaya. That's Patrick Casero on the far side. This could be a killer. Brought in Sakadauda. And has a foot upward and it's turned away. Offside once again with that live fire for the Fabians.
Nothing. He's kept Kotoko's attackers at bay. And he's always the last man you will see to clear the balls from the box. He's always there. He's always there and he's always on point to make sure Kotoko do not get the chance to score.
Well, there's a player who's come under so much attack in a previous season for his sluggish defending, but all of a sudden he's turning a new page. He's been a hero in Team Menu. Amankwa, Saka, Abetamwa. It's 2-on-3. Abetamwa delayed his time a bit. Saka lifting it deep. Amiru Akwa. Oh my goodness, what the best of back pass. And Asante will continue from where Kotoko left off. On the ball, Babaya will have it. Abetamwa racing in. Abetamwa and Benjamin Asari makes that important save.
Kotoko are dominating and started, but Salim Adams looks.
Well, look at this opportunity, Phil. And that's a heavy kick from the striker. But great positioning by goalkeeper Benjamin Asari. Always at the right place at the right time.
I think the pace of Abetamwa was the trick. And I believe he's moved from so much in love with the fans. The way they've comported themselves. The way they're singing, cheering on the teams.
Yes, Patrick Casero again. Benjamin Asari managing to prevent it. That's a big save from the big man. And once more, House of Oak staying intact into the fixture. That's Lord Amwa. Olato sending a very long one.
The defense of Accra House of Oak by making sure that the lateral defenders join attack. So you can find about 4 players in the box of Accra House of Oak, and that is quite worrying. They are creating lots of chances. It tells you that Prosper knows how to
have a bit of substitution. But Nigeria International, as well as
player number 11, Saka.
Well, let's see, we've got 6. Maoli. We're looking for a bit of help. He's got a sweet fade, comes in. Check goes down, the referee. Also rushing with this one. Looking for Fernando Bassi. Lovely one to play. Entry running through that space. Another been stopped by Asante. But Kotoko have been rewarded with a free kick right or close to the mark of the 18-yard. And even goalkeeper Benjamin Asari will just wondering who they are coming into. Patrick Casero, oh my goodness, that was a clever one, but always
all the clubs that they are in.
Wait, field. Well, goodness, that's a big serve from Kamara. What I've got to tell you, I've told you the myth about this man in the 25 set. Mauli Wayo, don't give him so much space. Clever play from Collinson to find his marker.
A beautiful pass by Collinson. And I believe Wayo should have made more of this chance.
But here is their corner kick. Here it in. Kamara picks it. This goes down. That's quite silly, isn't it? You don't fall at this moment. Kotoko will have to attack. Osasime. Asare! Oh! No! And can you believe it? Out there, and the man. Oh my God! Cannot miss it. The first half and final
man of the match. It's now player number 18, Asante Kotoko, Albert Amwa. Yes, you're not hard about the win. You're not see how to win. You're not out to us. Supporters